Ever wonder what this submarine story is really distracting you from? Well, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to cover the real news that's going to really affect your life that's not really being covered. So while the whole world was being distracted by 5 billionaires underwater who have more money than your entire lineage is going to have for the rest of their lives, BlackRock gets caught saying that war is good for business.
The Ukraine-Russia war?
Yeah, I mean, I do have thoughts.
What are they?
Ukraine is good for business. You know that, right? I'll give an example. Russia blows up Ukraine's grain silos. Price of wheat's gonna go mad up. Ukrainian economy is tied very largely to the wheat market, global wheat market. Prices of bread, literally everything it goes up and down. This is fantastic if you're trading. Volatility creates opportunity to make profit. War is real good for business.
Speaking of war, the Pentagon announces that it had an accounting error and sent $6.2 billion extra dollars to Ukraine. Oopsies, I'm an Sagittarius. Speaking of BlackRock again, BlackRock is the biggest company in the entire world with $10 trillion under asset management. If you have a 401k, health, savings, insurance, anything like that, it most certainly runs through BlackRock. Well, while the SEC was announcing that they're suing every single cryptocurrency known to man, causing a flash crash in the market, well, BlackRock announces that they will be launching a Bitcoin ETF conveniently at the local bottom. Speaking of trillion-dollar companies profiting off of Bitcoin while you sell the bottom, Fidelity, Citadel, and Doshi all apply for a Bitcoin ETF, signaling that Bitcoin and cryptocurrency are here to stay, and also further confirming the coordination that seems to have been at play between the SEC and these major institutions, signaling almost all but certain that they are going to be the ones positioning themselves to be able to front run this, and this last little dip was them getting a lower price so that they could make the most amount of money off of your back. Speaking of profiting off your backs, $572 billion has been added to the US debt over the last 2 weeks. This now exceeds China, Japan, UK, and Germany combined GDP. So while you were distracted by the modern day blue dress or gold dress, the rich were getting richer off of your back. What can you do about this? Well, you can do as they do, not as they say. Do not worry about the fear. Do not worry about the FOMO. Dollar cost average, and position yourself just like they are. And follow me for more, you savages.
I'm hustling, 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 hustling,
It's your
hustling,
boy,
hustling, 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 hustling.